Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video. In this following tutorial, I will be showing you how you can reactivate your Snapchat account on your device. So all you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instructions correctly. Before getting started, make sure that you've updated your Snapchat application to the latest version and also make sure to check your internet connection. So first of all, in order to reactivate your account, you must deactivate it. So first of all, let me show you how you can deactivate your account. So in order to deactivate, head towards your web browser. You can use any web browser of your choice. As you open up your web browser, on the search box type in deactivate Snapchat, and on the other page you have a multiple link. So from here you'll have to tap on support.snapchat.com or how do I delete my account. Just tap on it. The next page you will be directed into support center. So here are guidelines on how you can deactivate or delete your account, or else you can simply tap on the link which is right in between, that is account portal. So then tap on it in order to access. So next you'll have to log in from your web browser. You can either use email address or username in order to log in. So make sure to enter the correct login information, and after that enter your password, and once you're done tap on login. So over here make sure to go through it all, and as you're deleting your account you must provide your login information. So once again you'll have to enter your password, so make sure to enter the correct one, and once you're done tap on continue. You can see that my account has been deactivated, and you'll also receive an update through your SMS or email. So once your account is deactivated, go back to your home screen and then open up your Snapchat application. So once you do that, on the other page you will be directed into login or sign up account. So since you already have an account, you'll have to tap on login. So as you can see, your username is already present. All you have to do is enter your password, and once you're done entering your login information, tap on login, saying that my account had been currently deactivated. So in order to reactivate it, all you have to do is tap on yes. You can see that my account has been reactivated. So there is one condition while you're reactivating your account. So you must reactivate your account before 30 days, which means that after 30 days your account will be permanently deleted. So in order to reactivate, you'll have to log in before 30 days of your deletion period. So that is how you can reactivate your Snapchat account on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.